Alright, we're going to dive right into the section we call points, which is for the points on the map of the actual locations, the city, the country, whatever the case you may want to call it. So, first thing we want to do is go into the back end. We want to find points. Alright, and what I showed you in the previous video was when you click here, you're going to see all the existing cities, countries, destinations, points, whatever you want to call them, listed here. Alright, so what we want to do is add a new one. So click Add New Point, or you can do it here on the left, Add New Point, that's where I'm at. So give it a title so you can keep track of it. So let's just call this Australia. And I'm probably spelling this wrong, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. The title that's on the map. Alright, we're just going to call this Australia again. Alright, and your tab title, I'm just going to put tab title. Alright, so now we got our information as far as what it is. Now we need to set the point. So how do we do that? Really easy, but just by clicking on the point of the map. So if I bring my mouse over here and I click, there's my point. Or if I want it to be here, here, here. So anywhere on this map, you can start clicking for your location. So you're going to have to know your rough geometry, your rough geography. Alright, so I'm just going to put this here. Doesn't matter. Alright, another item is over on the right, we have what's called style point. So we can actually change how this thing looks. Maybe you want to look fatter or smaller or skinnier. It's not going to change it right here, it's going to change on the front end. So we can pick our different kinds of styles. So I'm going to go with the style point 4. Okay, and that's it. So we're set. So if I publish this, it's actually saving it live. Once you hit publish, it's live. You can save it and do a preview, but some sections previews don't work out because it doesn't really matter right now. I wouldn't worry about that. Anyways, publish. We're now saved and live. So if I come to the front end, refresh, I now have my new area, Australia. And if I click this, we'll see that nothing happens other than tab title. Okay, you with me so far? Tab title, which you see here. So if I put, let's see, Australia again, and let me see, let me actually put this over here. I'm going to update, come back here, refresh. Let's see, it's moved, Australia, here we are, Australia. And I know I'm spelling this wrong, but you know. Either way, so we have nothing here, that's all we got, because obviously we haven't attached any location to it. Alright, so pretty easy, pretty simple. Australia, the location, you add the click. There we go, we're set. Now what you would do next after this is go in and set up your location and then your tabbed information. So it's kind of a step process. I mean, you could do this in any order you want. You could do tabs, then locations, points. You could do locations, then points, then tabs. Clearly up to you. That's all I'm going to cover for this particular video. Now I'm going to jump in to the locations and then the tabs.